Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kzyne, and for today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the Kimmy Luxe dolls girly box for the month of September. So if you guys are interested in watching and knowing what's in my box, then please keep watching. I ordered this on the first day of September and I got it probably 2 weeks later. I'm just opening it right now and today is the 28th of September. So excited. Ooh. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so as always, it smells amazing. Okay, let's take out the first item. So this is a phone case. I'm pretty sure I got it last time too, but I don't know what design it is. Oh my god, I've been wanting this. So cute. I've been seeing this on her website and been wanting to get it, so currently I'm using this, which doesn't have the pocket, so I have it literally inside because I don't have this type of case, and now I do. Oh my god, so excited. Oh my god, this is perfect. Okay, on to the next item. Okay, what is this? Is e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. Okay, this is perfect because I love makeup. Let's get the little items first. Okay, so I got a Dior Addict Lip Glow in the shade Pink Dior Mania Edition. And then, oh my god, this is so cute. I don't have a Dior makeup product, so this is perfect. Girl. Cute. Second item, and I'm already in love. I mean third. Okay, where is this? Oh my god, it's so cute! It's a keychain. It's a lipstick keychain. Oh my goodness, girl. Oh, best box ever. Okay, I think this is the last one. No. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, there's just the case for the lipstick, I think. And then it came with this card. This card which has the prices for the items, which I will be looking at later. And then let's open the last item. I don't know what this is. Packaging, girl. Okay, it's so cute. Let's open it. No. No. Oh my god. There's this belt, which is a fashion belt that she sells on her website. There's different designs, and she gave me the one that has GG in it, which is the one that replicates Gucci. Oh my god, Kim, this is I don't know what to say. Okay, so let's look at the card. So it looks like this, and then in the back, or in the front, I don't know which one is the front and back, has my name. The theme is Luxe, so this is the $50 box. She has a $20 and $100 box available as well. And then the Barbie case, this one is worth $55. The lip glow Dior, which has that comes with Ghost, is $34. And then the brow gel is $2. The keychain is $3. It's so freaking cute. And then wait, the belt isn't in here. Did she give this by mistake? Because it just says the case, lip glow, brow gel, and keychain. Girl. She gave me a whole ass belt, and it's not even in here, so I don't know if it's a mistake, but girl, thank you so much. So again, super recommended. This box is a monthly box, but it's not a subscription, so you have to get it and purchase it every month if you want. If you don't want it for the next month, then you can just skip it. But she usually releases it every first day of the month, I think, and you have to set your alarm because it sells out really quick. The last box that I was able to get was the July, I think, and then I missed the August, or I got June and I missed July and August, I think, because this is the September box. But yeah, that's my box, and again, highly recommend this, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video, and enjoy the bloopers. Oh my god. Whew. Which has the GG, which obviously there's a ghost here. No, not my lipstick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why does this keep falling? What the hell? Girl, happy Halloween.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.